Assalamualaikum. Today let's make classic orange chicken. Join me. Here I have cut up chicken thighs which I cut into bite pieces. We will put cornstarch, egg white, sesame oil, soy sauce, and white pepper. We will mix it well until well combined. For our sauce I have here orange juice, orange zest, grated ginger and garlic, rice wine vinegar, brown sugar. Mix it well until well combined. To our hot pan, we fry our chicken and we will going to do a double fry. This is after double fry, guys. Now we simmer our sauce, guys. We add some slurry to thicken our sauce. Now we bring back our chicken and toast. Now we serve some sesame and green onions. Our classic orange chicken. Enjoy!